We are very excited about Kafnu. We're obviously here in Kafnu, Hong Kong, our first Kafnu. We have only conceptualized the brand in 2017 and have now a pipeline of 10 projects underway with 3 open. We have a Kafnu open here in Hong Kong. We're open in Taipei. We're also operational in Bangalore in India. And we're looking to open a few more at the end of this year. So very exciting to get such traction in a very short period of time. The concept of Kafnu is basically an urban village. We're trying to build a community of bringing like-minded members together. If you think about the physical parameters of it, take the best elements of a boutique hotel, take elements of shared workspace and combine that with the best elements of a social club. If you bring those 3 elements together, that gives you some understanding of what Kafnu is. Clearly we're very focused on our members' needs, providing them with services, activities, events that makes them want to become members here and connect with other people, which basically we're the conduit for. The business model of Kafnu is ultimately to bring people together in this space. We are offering at the first level a membership to come and join. We then have supplementary services that we offer. If you feel like you want to work at Kafnu, we are able to provide you with workspace, etc., etc. Overall, the business model of Kafnu is to create a small network within the major capital cities of Asia through a hub and spoke system, whereby hubs are very larger Kafnus, fully amenitized Kafnus that have such elements as lodging or accommodation, restaurants, bars, event space, etc. We then have smaller spokes, probably 2 to 3 in any large Asian capital city, to supplement the offering, because our members are not just members of one Kafnu, they're members of Kafnu in general. That means for one city, but also for Asia Pacific. So as they travel throughout Asia Pacific, as you know, Asia is a very, very large market. Intra-regional travel is increasing leaps and bounds. We want to make sure that our members have access to those communities abroad if and when they travel. No, Kafnus are not necessarily tied to a hotel. Foremost, we try to see whether we can combine Kafnus with our hotel brands. We have Next and we have Sage. Currently we have a Next hotel in Colombo, Sri Lanka, under construction that will have a Kafnu integrated with the hotel in a vertical structure. But we're growing Kafnu organically, irrespective of our hotel business. We're looking at standalone buildings, we're looking at commercial and retail real estate to find the right spaces where we can create the type of community that we want to build and create in any given city. We have a pipeline of 10 at the moment with 3 open. Our target over the next 3 years is to build that portfolio out to 50 across Asia Pacific.